Are you exhausted doing everyone else's job? Entrepreneurial Operating System will give you clarity, fix who owns what, and stop the same problems from coming back. In this video, we'll break down the most common problems that crush growth and how EOS turns reactive chaos into predictable execution and root cause problem solving.
So what is EOS? EOS, it stands for the Entrepreneurial Operating System. It's a way to run your business, much like an operating system will allow you to run your computer. And it actually works, especially if you're a growth-minded company. It's not software, it's not magic. It's more of a framework. It's a set of simple, repeatable tools that are going to help leadership get aligned and actually execute on their vision. Gino Wickman is the guy who created it. The main thing is EOS is about cutting through the noise and making sure everyone in your business knows where you're going, what matters right now, and who's responsible for doing what. So some common frustrations that EOS is going to solve for us. You might feel tired like only you are doing the heavy lifting. That's one of the things that EOS is going to help you tackle head on. You might think that not everyone's on the same page. You might think that you've got your vision, and when your team walks into the room, they're just not following along. It feels like they're in a different meeting. You might think that no one's truly accountable to what's going on. A part of your business, maybe it feels like nobody actually owns it. If you ask who owns it, you might get some blank stares or some finger pointing. EOS is going to build some real clarity around who owns what and get you some structure for things like that. You might feel you're solving the same problem over and over. Like you solve a problem and you implement a solution and it's broken again 3 weeks later. We're going to figure out how to root out those issues and solve root problems rather than just throwing band-aids on things, so that once you fix something, it starts staying fixed. You might feel like you're constantly reacting. Too much firefighting and not enough actual progress. It's going to help you build some systems so your business runs proactively and less like a daily crisis. You might think that meetings suck. You've got some poor meeting efficiency. Things are too long. They're vague. Nothing actually comes out of it. EOS is going to get you it's called the level 10 meeting. They are tight, focused, actually useful. These things aren't just symptoms. They're signs that your business needs structure. And EOS helps to provide that structure so that you can get on a path moving forward. So what does this look like? How do you actually do it? So you can hire EOS implementers. They are people who will come in and help you implement this. It just takes a specific personality maybe to be able to keep things on track and pull things back when they're not and know how long to let things go. So first steps, like if you want to take home bullet point list of what to do next, start by reading Traction. It is literally the EOS playbook. It is clear, it is practical. It's not the most fun read ever unless you really enjoy business books, but it is a good book to get started on. Build yourself a draft VTO. Sit down with your leadership team, partners, whatever you've got. You're going to learn a lot just by having the conversations around that. You might find that you have a vision for where you guys are going to be in 10 years that isn't shared by anybody else. And you got to come together and figure out where you're going. Try having a level 10 meeting. Get in there, run the structure, and see how it goes. A big part of this is to take action. It's not to be perfect. The absolute biggest mistake you can make is not doing it wrong. The biggest mistake you can make is not doing it at all.